looking right now. Your girl's looking a hot mess, but it's all good. Welcome back to the channel. So a lot has been going on. So me and the family are in the process of moving. So I wanted to do a what do you call it? A house tour, an empty house tour, because I want to decorate the place. I already have an idea of the way I want everything to look, so come along. No. Turn around. Go back in the house. So this is everything. This is how it looks. The first thing I noticed when I first walked in is this. How cute! How cute is this? Welcome home, Alexandra, Amina, and Jane. My heart, wow, just wow. These people really do aim to please. And I just appreciate this. So this section right here, Amina acting like Amina, is the dining area. Cute. So now we're gonna just go ahead and look at the kitchen. Really nice. It's a little small, but it's definitely doable. Have all stainless steel appliances. Perfect. Nice and clean. They did a pretty good job at cleaning. I want to say stainless steel dishwasher. This is a really nice size sink. I love big sinks, which is really nice. Nice cabinets, cabinet spaces. I'm assuming that's probably for seasonings. I don't know, but whatever. Nice fridge. Ooh, look at this fridge. See, I love me Samsung. Oh, is everything Samsung? Got a Samsung fridge. Wow, the microwave is Samsung. The stove. The dishwasher, is that Samsung too? It sure is. Wow, okay. And then we have, you know, it's not the small washer and dryer, but it'll work. It will definitely work. Nice little storage area, which is really, really nice. You want to help me, baby? I really do like the finished appliances on here. So this right here is Amina's room. I love how there's a fan in here already, which is really, really awesome. The light, nice and bright, decent sized closet. I like that. I really do. Okay. You got carpet in the bedrooms, which is nice. Amina don't know how to act because she's never had carpet in her bedroom before. So that's awesome. I like the living room. It's a decent sized living room, which I really, really like. It's a little bit on the smaller end. Maybe not. Maybe after I have everything in here, I don't think it'll be too bad. Here's the patio. How you open this thing? How you open this thing? Am I doing it right? Oh no. Oh shoot, hold on. What am I doing? Oh, it's a lat. No. Oh, okay. Oh shoot. What the hell am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. Okay. So, oh, it was locked. So this is a decent sized patio. This is our view from our patio, which is really, really nice. I love it. Oh, look, got a cute little light porch. This part is the master. Nice view. Lake view. Awesome, awesome. It's not that bad at all. I mean, it needs a little work, but I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at all. Come on, baby. Come on. Come in the house. Watch your step. Good job. Okay, so that's the living room. So let's go right ahead and go into the master. Here's the bathroom. Let me turn on the light. How the hell you turn on the light in here? Oh, okay. So subway tiles. You can never go wrong with subway tiles. I am just in love with these finishes. Like, these finishes are bomb. Good finishes. Fairly clean. Of course, there's their version of clean and Alex's version of clean. Now, this is one or two closets. You already know who closet this is. Not mine. And then here is the master bedroom. It is fairly small. I am a little worried about our things fitting in here because I feel like my daughter's room is actually slightly bigger than in here, but as you can tell, she's having a good old time. And that is the other closet. So this is closet number 2. Which I think is not that bad. Ooh, the lighting in here is really good. So this was an empty house tour. Very quick house empty tour. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I've been missing in action. I know I haven't been here. So much has been going on in my life. So much has happened. But slowly but surely, I'm starting to pick up the pieces where they drop. Very slowly, but nonetheless, they are being picked up. So I am excited for this new journey. I am excited for this new place. I am excited for me and my family. You know, we're doing things out here. So I would say stay tuned for the next video. I wish my husband was in here so you can see him. Hold on, he's out there. So let's go out there real quick. Come on, baby. He's already moving in boxes. So I have a lot of stuff that I have to do. Please, 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 please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.